Today, one of our athletes, Ryan Ressa, was awarded the Super Subway Defensive Ends First Team honor from Dave Campbell's Football Magazine. Anytime that our athletes get awarded with anything from award from school, award from our district, an award, a state recognized award, it always feels good to have our kids be recognized for their hard work. Ryan did a lot of the work on his own. He came to work every day, did things right, practiced hard, played hard, and he's well deserving of the award. That if you set your goals and you do the things it takes in order to meet those goals, you'll reach them. It's not going to be easy. It never is going to be easy. Things that are worth it in life aren't easy. And we want our kids to make sure that the things they get, they earn it, because it'll mean a lot more to them.
It's an honor because all my 4 years paid off, and every day I came to practice with an attitude, and all of this paid off. It was nice. At first I got discriminated because I got moved positions, but then I got moved and I started working at it, and I just did it the best I can. Never give up, that anybody can do it if they put their mind to it.